Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain that in Java programs, execution starts from main method. So let's get started. For example, here we have some sample Java code. And in this Java code, this is what is called as the main method. Okay. The name of the method is main. If you give ABC, it is not going to be the main method. Okay. It's a normal method. But if you type main here, it becomes a main method. So this is what is a main method. And the execution actually starts in Java programming from main method only. Okay. Execution will not start from the class or something. The execution will start from the main method. When you run the program, the execution will start from this main method. So what is the proof that the execution will start from the main method? What if I remove this main method? If I remove this main method and if I right click on this code and select run as, I will not get the option to run the code. You see, without the main method in Java programming, I cannot run the Java code. Again, if I put the method back, okay, what if I put this main method back? Now if I right click here and say run as, I'm getting this option. Now I can run the Java code. Okay, always save or say okay. You see, the code is running. If I remove the code, I cannot run this code. Okay, just with this class code, I cannot run the, you see, Java application option is coming, not coming. Run as Java application option is not coming without main method. So this is a proof that, okay, this is a proof that execution in Java programming starts from which method? Main method. And what is the syntax of the main method? So let me show you the syntax of the main method. Okay, if I remove this code and let me write down the syntax. So I have to write like this: public static void main opening and closing circular brackets, starting of the main method, ending of the main method. Okay, public static void main, and inside the circular brackets I need to write string opening and closing square brackets and say args. So this is what is the syntax of the main method. Okay, you should remember this by heart it for a while. Okay, it's okay to by heart this, guys. Okay, so initially you can by heart it and write it by yourself, or there is a way also, that is just type main word here in the Eclipse IDE in this Java file. Just type main and press Control space, Control and space keyboard keys. Okay, both Control and space keyboard keys, and press Enter key. Okay, or select this one, or press Enter key. So Control space, you'll get that options, and you select that first option. Okay, the main method will be auto generated. Or while creating the Java file itself, you can select the checkbox field, which will auto generate the main method for you. So multiple ways are there. One of the ways is to by heart it, remember it. Okay, so I can remember, you see, public, static, void, main, okay, starting and ending, string of args. This is one way. Or if you don't by heart it or remember it, type main in the Eclipse IDE and say control space. Now press enter, auto generated. The other way is while creating the class, right click, new, class, demo2. While creating the class, you select this checkbox field, public static void main string of args checkbox field, click on finish. It will be auto generated. You see, main method is automatically coming while creating this Java file. I can remove this comment. So these are the multiple ways of, writing the main method in Java programs. And the execution in Java programs starts from this main method. So try to remember this syntax, guys. That is a very good thing. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.